back to the vlog. I'm so excited. Sundays are my favorite. I'm in the best mood ever because it is 22 degrees Celsius here, which is probably around like 80 something degrees, and I'm in such a good mood because it's so sunny outside. And we went for a 2-hour bike ride yesterday, which is why my face is so red, but today's gonna be a really great day. I'm just in the best mood ever. Can you believe I've only had one coffee? But you guys saw my little productive morning routine on a Sunday. I slept in till like 10, and then we just had a nice little morning. So it is currently 11:45, and okay, this is gonna sound so weird, you guys, but I don't know if anyone can relate to me on this. Like, I love homemade coffee. You guys know I make my coffee all the time at home, but sometimes I just like a treat, you know, a little Starbucks treat. Once in a while, you guys know that I treat myself. I haven't had Starbucks in almost 2 months, and I know you guys are gonna say, Cardi, you Starbucks at work, but I just get iced Americanos. Like, they don't have cold brew or anything, and like all I want right now is a vanilla sweet cream cold brew. And I obviously have no idea where the Starbucks are in this area because Matt and I just never go to Starbucks. But I'm gonna find one because it's so nice outside, and there's literally nothing like driving with your windows down, blasting music, drinking a cold brew. Like, I'm just saying that's the best thing in the world. So I'm gonna go find a Starbucks because most of them are open again now, which makes me so happy. And then we're gonna get my mirror. I want to get a full-length mirror for my office, just so I could like honestly take outfit pics and show you guys my outfits better, because I just don't love the lighting in our bedroom, and I don't love the lighting in the bathroom. And you know, sometimes you just want to take an outfit picture with nothing in the background. Like, I don't want the bed in the background, you know. Also, I'm realizing now how red my face is. So anyways, so we're gonna go pick up my mirror. I'm super excited. It's like my dream mirror. I got it on sale for $40 at Yisk. I'm so excited. Then we have to go get a few groceries. You guys see it? I bought wine instead of milk again. So me. And yeah, so we're gonna go run some errands. I'm gonna go find a Starbucks. I also got this Amazon package, which I figured we could open. I don't really know what it is, but story of my life not knowing what an Amazon package is. Anyways, so I want to go find a Starbucks. Designated. Oh, okay, so we have to go to a pickup area. Okay, this is gonna be fun because I've never done this. Like, I've been really good, and like literally Matt and I just go to the grocery store. So we're gonna go figure out how Starbucks is doing some social distancing, and I'm freaking pumped about it. Guys, someone is literally gonna watch this and be like, you get way too excited over coffee, but she's here and she's beautiful. Okay, so I got a venti vanilla cold brew with just 1 pump of vanilla. I didn't miss the fact that these lids literally electrocute you every time you drink out of them, but it's fine. Oh, so good. Okay, we're gonna go get my mirror. We're gonna go get groceries. We're gonna have a good time. Then this afternoon, we're just gonna do a little, I don't know what. We're gonna see where the day takes us, honestly. Obviously, this isn't sponsored, but like if you guys live in Ottawa or you guys have a Yisk around you, check them out, because honestly, Yisk has way cheaper stuff than IKEA. They're so fast and efficient. IKEA, I get you're busy, but like, you're canceled. So, got my mirror if you guys can't tell here. And I just want to let you guys know, I'm so excited. I'm listening to my beachin' playlist on Spotify, which I'll link down below if you guys are interested. It's like my summer country cottage vibes playlist, and it makes me so happy. So we're gonna listen to that. The grocery store is literally right next door, so we're just gonna drive on over, get a few quick groceries. I don't need much, but I kind of want to get just a bunch of baking stuff, only because every time I go to make something, I'm just missing something, and that's just part of like just moving in. But I'm literally just like always missing something, like cocoa powder, icing sugar, so I want to get it all today. So we need to get garlic, icing sugar, cocoa powder, strawberries, Frank's Red Hot Sauce, oat milk, cold brew, and then chocolate chips. Really random grocery haul. I feel like I never vlog when I'm doing a real grocery haul. You guys probably think I'm literally having the weirdest stuff, but it's just what it is moving out. You just have to go get random groceries sometimes. So it's currently 12:49. I just finished doing my groceries. I'm gonna do a grocery haul in the car because I know Matt is gaming very aggressively in the house, so I can't do it inside. So I'll show you guys what we got. They still make you buy reusable bags. You can't bring your own bag still, which is kind of annoying, but it's okay. So total random grocery haul, I'm serious. Got a celery juice just as a reset. I kind of ate not so great this weekend. Like I ate shawarma and stuff that like makes me really bloated, so I got a little green juice to do a little reset. I got 2 of these cold brews because they didn't have any of the big Starbucks ones, so I just got some of these cold brew medium roast. We'll see how they are. Got a new coffee creamer. Matt asked me to get him Frank's Red Hot Sauce, so I just got him a little one. Strawberries, olive oil, icing sugar, cocoa powder, pretty boring stuff in this one. I have my receipt, that's important. got, oh, this one is exciting stuff. I have garlic, and then I got some of these. You guys know I love these little turkey pepperoni sticks, and they came out with little mini ones. So I got 2 packs of these for Matt and I for our lunches. I love this biscotti. Matt's sister-in-law showed it to me, and it's literally amazing. So I got that. What else did we get? I got cake mixes. I just got, because they were on sale, I got confetti cake and lemon. And then I got my favorite waffles, which are the maple cinnamon Nature's Path. And I think that's all I got. Oh, and I got Matt and I some ciders for dinner tonight, because yesterday we were talking about how much we wanted a cider because it was nice out. So I got these Brickworks ciders for dinner. So that's my little grocery haul. And now we're gonna head home. I need to pee so badly, and they don't let you pee in the store. And I have to drive 25 minutes home, and I think I actually might pee my pants. Just being real with you guys. Also, it's so hot outside. I'm like literally sweating, which I love. I'm not complaining, don't worry. Also, I missed having a tan or redness. It makes me feel so good. So I'm sweating, and I hope my concealer doesn't sweat off. But okay, let's drive home now really fast because I need to pee. Oh, that's gonna look so good. Guys, okay, so it's a little while later. It is 2:30 now, and I wanted to share with you guys a super cute present I got. Okay, so in Ottawa, we have this group called the Ottawa Wine Fairies, which I just joined. It's so cute. So basically what it is, it's like a giant group, and people will post like your part of town. So like they'll be like, East End people, post your address, and you post your address, and then the wine fairies drop off a package to your door, and then when you get a package, you have to wine fairy someone else, which is the cutest thing ever. So it's kind of just like a kindness train, that's how I explain it, or like, you know, like you pay for the person behind you, so they pay for the person behind them kind of thing. So I got wine fairy today, so I figured I'd show you guys what I got, and then I'm gonna go to the LCBO, and I'm going to get stuff to fairy someone else. So I just think it's something so fun and sweet during a time like this. So I figured I'd show you guys what I got. So I just got a little note, and it says, "You've been fairied, enjoy." I just like love the kindness with this. So I got some Arrow minis, and like you can give as much or as little as you want. This is like such a sweet one. Got a pack of gum. Got some lip balms, which is awesome. I got this super cute champagne bubble bath. And then got this precious little wine glass, and it says hello on it. Like, how cute is this? This is so stinking cute. I can't wait to fairy someone. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna put in it. And then I got 2 of these Smirnoff Berry Blasts, which I've never had. Brooklyn says these are amazing, so I'm gonna try these. And then got one of my favorite wines, which is this Bodacious Pinot Grigio. So I think it's so sweet, and I just wanted to share it with you guys because I love that little act of kindness. So we're gonna head to the LCBO, which is like our liquor store, in a little bit, so we can get some stuff to wine fairy someone else, which I think is so sweet. But it's 2:30. I'm just editing a video right now. Our patio doesn't get much sun, honestly. It's pretty shady, but I think I'm gonna sit outside and read some afternoon, just relax. I'm running a half tomorrow, so I'm just trying to like relax and stay off my feet. But I figured I'd show you guys kind of some of the updates in the house that we did, which isn't much, but I figured I'd show you guys. I'm eating a cheese plate, so I made myself a little cheese plate as a snack to hold me off until dinner. So we got some strawberries, some salami, these crackers, which are the best crackers in the world, and then I also love these ones so much. So that's what we got for crackers. We got some funky looking tomatoes. In case you're wondering what cheese I use, we use this smoked Havarti. That's these slices, and then this is just some brie, which, being a bougie bitch today, got some brie with a little balsamic glaze. So that's my little snack. Just wanted to show you guys my cheese plate. I'm very proud of her. Okay guys, I really want something sweet, so I'm gonna make some cookies. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite cookies to make. They're so easy. Cake mix cookies are the best. So you literally just need cake mix, and basically all the ingredients, except for don't add the water or milk. So this one is 1/2 cup of vegetable oil and 3 eggs. So we're gonna do that. current state of the coffee cart, which you guys would have just seen because I just posted that video. I got this super cute mug from well.ca. I will link it if you guys are interested. It's like ceramic, and I've just been really wanting like a plain mug for a while, so I got that. And then I'm trying to decide what I want to do. Matt's mom said maybe we should take the blue mugs out and just do these ones. So I'm going to take them out and see if I like it. And then this was on the dining room table. I don't know if I showed you guys, but we put it up here, which I love. And then I actually just recently got the Ordinary skincare to try. So I put it there. I think it looks so cute since it's so minimal. But these are the ones I got. I got the... It's like a starter pack off of well.ca. I'll link it because it's cheaper than Sephora. But I got the Squalene Cleanser. I don't know how to say that. Got the natural moisturizer, and then I also got this hyaluronic acid, which is supposed to be really moisturizing. So we just put that there because I think it looks really chic. So we got that. Love that. And then we have the mirror, which I love so much. It's a little like wonky until you get close to it, but I love it so much. Sorry, my office is a little dirty right now, but I love it. It is the perfect size. I just wanted a nice full-length mirror to take pictures in. Honestly, I'm so obsessed with it. I love it so much. I'll link it down below for you guys. It's from Yisk, but that's the status. My desk is looking messy. That's the only update I have. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm gonna get ready and do a little quick upper body workout right now. Outfit of the day, this is the Energy Longline Sports Bra from Lulu. These are the Airy leggings. I love them. They're so flattering, especially with this cross. Seriously, so flattering. Obviously, you know what the back of the Energy bra looks like. It's my absolute favorite. See, I just like love this mirror so much. Anyway, so this is the outfit of the day. I have a tank top I might put on. We'll see. I'm gonna do an upper body workout, and a lot of you guys were saying that you loved when I posted my workouts, my work week videos, because they were super simple. Today's workout's so simple that you have no excuse to not do it, because I know you have 2 bottles of wine in your house. So grab 2 bottles of wine, and we're gonna do a little upper body arm workout. Also, I'm just gonna play my Get That PR Baby playlist, which is my running playlist, but it is so hyped. I'll link it down below, and let's do this workout. Just finished my workout. It was a good little workout. I'm still in my workout clothes, but that's okay. I'm gonna fold some laundry now. It's all clean. Matt put it in the laundry, so I figured it'd be nice and fold it for him. So we're gonna do that. Let's do a podcast. And honestly, probably relax for the rest of the day. So I might end the vlog after this just because I'm literally gonna sit outside and read and eat dinner. But alrighty guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here just because, like I said, I'm just gonna go sit outside and relax, I think, for the rest of the afternoon and unplug and go sit in the sun. So I hope you guys enjoyed my like Sunday morning / afternoon little routine, reset, whatever you want to call it. Tomorrow's a holiday here in Canada. It's Victoria Day, which I think it might be Memorial Day in the States. I'm not positive, but I don't have too much of kind of like a I don't have too much of a routine going on today just because I'm not going back to work till Tuesday. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!